Facebook. Welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. I have a hot one for you today. Okay, how to get up to $150,000, y'all, with only a 640 credit score. Yes, now I'm just going to be honest right from the very beginning, guys. A 640 credit score is considered fair to bad credit. But I got you covered, okay? Get a notebook, get a pen, because in this video, I'm going to outline a lender, a business credit lender, Kabbage with a K, guys. Write that down. I've talked about Kabbage before in some videos, but I'm doing a brand new video on them right now because some things have changed, y'all. Some of their requirements have changed, and also what they offer has changed. That's why I'm highlighting them. So I'm going to talk about who Kabbage is and why they're a little bit different from some of the other business credit lenders I've outlined. I'm going to talk about the approval criteria so you know what you need to actually get some of this money, guys. And then I'm actually going to throw in a bonus, because if you are not at a 640 credit score, don't worry. Work on it. Get to a 640 and above, and then apply, because that's how you're going to get some of this money, okay? And if you are new, welcome, guys. This channel is about wealth building, about legacy. This is a wealth building ministry, how to leverage your personal and business credit to get the 5 and 6 and 7 figures, okay? I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Guys, the enemy tried to make this video not happen today, but we pushed through, and I will do my nugget at the end. So Kabbage, guys, with a K, they have business lines of credit. Now, guys, always understand that the business lines of credit sometimes is also called working capital. People love it. You should love it because it's the most flexibility, guys. When you get a business line of credit, you can use it for anything. I want you to write this down and remember this. You can use it for renovations. You can, if you're somebody on Turo, you get a $150,000 line of credit. You can buy 3 cars. You're a restaurant. You can buy, equipment. You're a consulting firm. You can hire employees, get more electronics, use an awesome marketing firm to help grow your business. The reason why the business lines of credit, everybody wants them, and you should kind of aim to get those, because you can use it for anything. Now, what is the downside of that, guys? A lot of times the business lines of credit are the hardest thing to get. That's why you see me do a lot of videos on different options. I'm trying to help you guys, right? And Kabbage with a K is a good option for this. Now, real quick, one of the reasons why these business lines of credit are so hard to get, guys, is this unsecured. I need you to realize this, right? Because that means if they give you a $150,000 line of credit and you just don't pay it back, guys, the bank is out $150,000. That's different than if it's an auto loan, they take back their car. If it's a mortgage, they take back their house. I need you guys to understand what you're asking these banks for, especially if you are a new business, especially if you have no business credit, especially if you have bad personal credit. But I got you covered, okay, guys? So for Kabbage, only a 640 credit score. The application takes minutes. I would say 1 to 3 minutes. All they want is information about you, information about your business, information about what you want to use the money for, okay? That's it. They're looking to verify your ID and your business. Write that down, your ID and your business, who you are, and information about your business. They are going to want you to link your business checking account. Pause. Have one. Seriously, I always tell you guys, PayPal is not a business checking account. Cash App is not a business checking account. You must have a business checking account. If you don't have it, go get it. And I want you guys to think about this. They give you a $150,000 line of credit. They need somewhere to deposit the actual money in. You got it, guys? So just make that an action item. And this is real quick. So with the business lines of credit, guys, let's say you get $100,000, right? It's up to $100,000. Our lines of credit through Kabbage go from $1,000 up to $150,000, guys. You can get approved for this in minutes if you meet the criteria. And guys, the money can go into your bank account within 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days, depending on the bank that you guys actually bank with, who your business checking account is with, and obviously when you apply and all of your information being in order. You can get an auto approval online. Now, if for any reason, guys, they need more information from you, something is not quite right, they just need to verify something, then you have to go to a manual approval, which is fine. This may take a little bit longer. That's all, guys. So for the rates, so guys, the rates go anywhere between 9 to 36%. 9 to 36%. It's going to depend on how long your business has been established, your personal credit, your business credit, all those kinds of factors, right? And always understand that once you get the business line of credit, if you use it responsibly, pay it back, then it can increase. So if they give you $20,000, don't be like, oh my gosh, I want $150,000. Guys, take the $20,000, use it for something income producing, something smart. pay it back, build that relationship, it increases. And with a business line of credit, this is a nugget, guys, you only make payments. You only pay interest on the money that you use. So example, you get a $150,000 line of credit, you only draw $50,000. That's all you needed for renovations or for a down payment or to hire a new employee, whatever it is. Then once you actually take that $150,000, they will direct deposit it into your business checking account, guys. And then that's when you start making the actual payments. If you don't use it, you're not making any payments. Got it, good, guys. So a couple of other things right now. So I'm making this video March 15th, 2022. Up until April 29th, 2022, they actually have a promotion going on, y'all, that they would give you I was going to say 150,000, wrong. 150 is still something. Something better than nothing. Pay for these high gas prices. They will give you $150 if you apply for a line of credit and you get approved. Obviously, terms apply, all that little small print. But it says from February 14th, which is Valentine's Day, and we're past that, up until April 29, 2022, if you apply for a business line of credit with Kabbage and you get approved, they will give you $150. I like it. Any extra money is good, okay, guys? And one other thing, a couple other things I want to say to you guys. They will do a hard pull. It is a hard pull of personal and business. Now, you guys know for business credit, guys, the inquiries don't matter. But they do a hard pull of your personal, guys. But always remember, like, that's why I'm giving you the requirements. If you're not a 640, then don't apply. Work on your credit and apply when you are a 640, which leads me to a nugget. Guys, if you do not have a 640 credit score, if you need some help, you can go to my business credit, to my credit score playlist, to my credit repair playlist, or today is March 15th, 2022, and I am having a 3-day free, y'all, credit leveraging boot camp. Super excited, guys. Limited seating. It's going to be March 23rd to March 25th. 3-day credit boot camp free. I'll put the link in the description. So if you need help with building business credit, if you need help with getting your personal credit up to where it needs to be, 3-day free business credit leveraging boot camp. So I'll put the link in the description. So that means there's no excuses. If you don't have a 640, then just get there and you have resources to actually do that. Okay, guys? Now, another thing is they want you to be in business at least 12 months. So that's still considered a startup, guys. Any business 5 years and under is considered a new business, startup business. That means you're high risk. So for them to need you to only be incorporated for 12 months and do a 640 credit score is amazing. Guys, Kabbage is backed by American Express. Write it down. So this means what? When you're getting a business line of credit through Kabbage, you're actually getting the funding from American Express. Now, how does that help you? Guys, if you have a personal American Express, that helps you with Kabbage. You have a business American Express, that helps you with Kabbage. What do I always talk about? Data points. The more relationships you have with the company, the more likely you are to get approved. Y'all follow me. I tell you these things for a reason. So that's strategy. If you've been applying for business lines of credit and you constantly get denied, but you have a relationship with American Express right now, Kabbage is where you want to go because Kabbage is backed by American Express. So 640 credit score, incorporated at least a year, hard pull of personal and of business is why I'm giving you the requirements. Must have a business checking account, non-negotiable, but a bonus right now, $150, right? But that leads me to two other things why I'm picking Kabbage for you guys is guess what? Guess what? They have an online business checking account. Listen, y'all, hello. If you don't have a business checking account, get the Kabbage business checking account and then go apply for the business line of credit through Kabbage. Brilliant, guys. And they have no monthly maintenance fee. What else I'm gonna write about them? There's just a link to apply. Guys, I will go back in the description of the video. I will add my bootcamp information. I will add the link to apply for Kabbage. I will add the link for their business checking account, okay? And you guys, with the business checking account, they have like, it's like a mobile app. Guys, you can direct deposit, like you can get checks deposited by a picture. I love technology. You can take a picture of a check and deposit into your business checking account. You can transfer from other banks. It's free fees for ATM if it's one of their ATMs in network, guys. You can do everything online. So it's super, super great. You just apply for it. And then, if you get that business checking account, you guys can transfer some money in there and they can help you get approved for the Kabbage business line of credit. Another thing they have also is payment processing. Write it down. So guys, that's why I picked them, because you get a business line of credit, a business checking account, and you can get a payment processor, which means you can start accepting for your business like credit card and debit payments and all of those things, which makes you look like a more legitimate, more fundable business. Now you guys are a consultant, you do hair, you're a landscaper, whatever it is, you can actually like take credit card payments from your clients, and they have the payment processing kind of process for you, right? So it's only a 2.25% transaction fee, which is very, very good. That's pretty pretty standard in the industry. They're going to need proof of your ID. Now for the payment processing, guys, it can take up to 30 days for them to verify all your information. It may not, but just know that's a process. So start that first if you actually need that. Also with their business checking account, guys, you guys can get a business debit card too. So that's going to help you look more fundable on paper, more data points. And let me see anything else with the, you can set credit cards. Oh, and even with their payment processor, guys, they have like professional invoices you can start sending to people. With their business checking account, they have customized checks. Yes, guys. So this is like Kabbage is something that can help you level up your whole business. You can get the business line of credit, working capital, business checking account, business payment processor, everything by the same company, which makes you look more fundable, you look more credible, and helps you get what? More money to leverage. Amen, guys. I'll put the links in the description, guys. And for my nugget, I just want to say you have the ability to change the outcomes. Guys, you have a plot twist in your future. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Don't just accept, like if there's a storm going on right now, that means that you are at the beginning of your very next blessing. If everything is crazy, some of you guys are blocking your blessings because of the people, places, things, habits, addictions that you still have in your atmosphere. You're still giving energy to that. You're still entertaining, guys, but you have a plot twist. You have power. If you really want that next level, you really want that next thing, you know that person is not for you. You know that relationship is not for you. You know that habit is draining you. You know that addiction is wrong. Come on, somebody. How bad do you really want it? And God is saying, I have everything you need, daughter. I have everything you need, son. You are a king. You are a queen, but you're blocking it. You haven't got there because you're entertaining the nonsense. How bad do you want it? If you want the plot twist, you want the next level, then you need to say goodbye. Goodbye to the things that do not serve you in this season. Goodbye to the things that are not pouring into you. Look, you need to say to that toxic relationship, goodbye, because you are bad news. Have a great day, guys.